Understanding programming language properties. As one may already know, there are several programming languages that exist in today's times. With that being said, when a collection of properties are gathered from all programming languages, there are a lot that can be seen. The properties of a programming language are called the programming language paradigms. A paradigm, can be thought of as a feature or property, and in our case, it is an attribute of the programming language that conveys to us the various different types of programming that it supports and that one may employ when actually coding in a script. There are a lot of programming language paradigms that exist, a few of which are mentioned on the next slide. We will only discuss the paradigms that the Python programming language utilizes. I am aware that one will not exactly understand how the paradigms lend themselves to the language itself, since we have not yet programmed in Python. However, I shall explain it simple enough for you to understand the main concepts. Knowing that the language holds these properties will greatly increase your understanding of the programming language and the efficiency of your coding when physically implementing our learnings. Examples of programming language paradigms: logic programming, object-oriented programming, functional programming, procedural programming, stack-oriented programming, data flow programming, generic programming, imperative programming, reactive programming, array programming, function level programming.